To our channel. So today in this video, we are going to discuss about how to connect ChatGPT with Slack for auto replies. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to connect ChatGPT with Slack for auto replies, all you gotta do is simply make sure you have a third-party automation tool like Zapier or Make.com. Once you use any of the third-party app, you can connect your Slack and ChatGPT accordingly with the help of this third-party tool. You can connect ChatGPT with Slack for auto replies, typically by tapping on Zapier and choosing Zap. So once you tap on Zap, you need to simply start with a trigger and action. So you can choose Slack as your trigger, and in action you can simply set up ChatGPT. So once you gotta do this, you can provide like custom datas and replies and stuff like this. Then you can simply customize the bot's name and icon if desired. Now to ensure the reply is in thread, you need to click on the thread field and select the timestamp of the original parent message from the trigger step. So once activated, any new message posted in the designated Slack channel will automatically trigger a ChatGPT response in the same channel and thread. So this is how you can simply do it. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next video. We will be back again really soon.